You see, so what we just did there was filter out. We're only looking at the shorts, and we're only looking at shorts that happen below the opening price, below today's opening price. And it showed there's a very tiny positive expectancy only if I take shorts that happen below today's opening price. And say, let's say, for example, let's remove the summer. Let's say that the 30-minute RL10 must not be in the summer. So there you see, like the expectancy improved a little bit more by just not taking those trades that the 30-minute chart is showing that is in the summer. This kind of info also shows, something to pay close attention to.
No, I think it does. I mean, this is really, for one, this is really impressive data collection and analysis. This is maybe something you could share with the whole tortoise community if you'd be willing to, because this is pretty great.
Sure.
How you can do this, and select the different things. If you're collecting the data, this is a great way to analyze it. I think there's something here. And also, I mean, this is significant, a 3-to-1 win to loss ratio.
It works, right? It's not something like very cool, very, something from the internet. It's something basic, but it makes the job.
Yeah, no, it's very cool. I think it's I've never seen that, like anyone do something like that, where you can go in here and say, what if I do the longs, with an RL30, in an uptrend or whatever. It's very cool. Yeah. And then you can decide the seasons and stuff. Yeah, I think it's very powerful. And I think also to me, it's that you're starting to use, I think there is something to be said, like you said, for practicing the forms and looking at kind of the art of it. But this to me is like the science of it. And that's where the craft comes in, right? That you have the art side, you have the looking at the forms and practicing the proper kata challenge form. But then over here, you have statistics and data that's not going to lie. And you're doing a really good job of collecting the data. So like, why not use that, to inform your decision making as well? It's just another tool you can use, to do it. So I think it's great. I applaud you.